Hey, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. In this video, I'm going to show you how to program a Stanley Dura-Glide automatic sliding door using the MC521 Classic controller, also known as the Yellow Label controller. This process is often referred to as FIS, or First Initial Sequence Programming. Before we begin, there are a few important things you need to know about your door setup. For this example, we're working with a single slide door using one motor, no automatic lock, a left-hand slide configuration, and a rocker-style function switch rather than a rotary switch. The MC521 Classic controller is programmed using 3 buttons, enter, up, and down. It's always best practice to start this procedure with the door in the fully closed position. However, if traffic conditions require it, you can start from the fully open position as long as the door does not move at all during the programming process. The first step is unlocking the controller so changes can be made. Press and hold the enter button, then press down until the display reads 99. Release enter, then press down again so the display shows 00. This unlocks the controller and allows programming to begin. Once the control is unlocked, we want to clear any existing programming that may already be stored in memory. To clear the controller's memory, press and hold enter, then press down until you reach parameter 96. Release enter, then press up one time so the display shows 01, followed by A0. This erases previous programming and prepares the controller for new settings. Now we need to tell the controller what type of door it's operating. The first parameter we'll set is the number of motors. Press and hold enter and navigate to parameter 00. Release enter, then press up one time to select 01, which tells the controller this is a single motor system. Next, we'll program the handing of the door. Press and hold enter and press up until the display reaches parameter 01. Release enter, then press up again to select 01 for a left-hand sliding door. If this were a right-hand slide door, you would leave the value at 00. At this point, the controller needs to accept these settings. Press and hold enter, navigate to parameter 03, release enter, then press up one time. You'll see a value appear followed by A1, confirming the controller has accepted the motor count and handing information. The next parameter relates to automatic locks. Even if your door does not have an electric lock, it's important to know where this setting is. Press and hold enter and navigate to parameter 07. This is where auto lock configuration is programmed. The default setting is 01, which is fail secure. If you had a fail-safe electric lock, you would change this value to 00. Since this door does not have an auto lock, we'll leave this setting unchanged. Next, we need to program the type of function switch used on the door. Press and hold enter and navigate to parameter 11. In this application, we're using a rocker switch, which is represented by 01. That value should already be displayed by default. If you were using a rotary switch, you would change this setting to 00. At this point, all required parameters have been programmed and the controller is ready to run the learn cycle. To start the learn cycle, go to your function switch and move it to the hold open position. As soon as the door begins to move, switch it back to the closed or off position. The door will now run through its learn cycle. With the MC521 Classic Yellow Label controller, the door will complete 2 full cycles, fully open and fully closed. Once the door completes the second closing cycle, the display should show A2, indicating the first initial sequence has been completed successfully. Now that the learn cycle is finished, the controller must be locked so programming is retained during a power loss. Press and hold enter, navigate back to parameter 99, release enter, then press up one time to set it to 01. The display will then return to 00, confirming the control is locked and the door is in the fully closed position. At this point, you can reconnect your activation devices. In this example, we're using a push plate which plugs into TB4. Finally, move the function switch to automatic, activate the push plate, and confirm the door opens and closes properly. That completes programming for a Stanley Dura-Glide using the MC521 Classic controller. This is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Thanks for watching.